It's likewise good to use them in headings or in bold elsewhere in your article. But don't go overboard, or your article will look weird and read like a scam page, and individuals will avoid it, as will Google. Keep your articles, titles, headings, and content centered on good key phrases with relevant content, and in time, you'll be able to get the traffic you require.